Hello guys, I'm in my small farm here and I had some things to show you. So as one is advancing in age, just want you to know that there's that need to go organic. If it is not organic, don't touch it, because our bodies get weaker in processing all those chemicals. So I have some vegetables here. That is the moringa tree. This is the mint leaf. I use it in my food. I add it to my food. This is the mint leaf, and it does a lot of things. It has a lot of benefits. It adds to our bodies. Then also I have the bitter leaf. Okay, here I am slicing sweet potato, and remember I said we need to go organic. Here I want to make potato porridge, and I'm going to add some of the leaves I mentioned earlier. So here I'm slicing the potato. So just follow the process as far as I can show you, and then the thing is just to give us an idea of what I'm talking about. Potato porridge is what I'm preparing. I'm slicing the one potato now. I'm slicing a bulb of onion to what I would ask one of the recipes. Onion is also good for the body. So I have already finished slicing the potato. Now I want to slice onion. Then before I will show you the herbs I'm going to use, the vegetables I'm going to add to my potato porridge. This is one of the vegetables, the mint leaf. I've plucked them from my small farm. Now I'm chopping them into small bits before I would add them to all the things I'm going to put into my potato porridge. To my potato porridge, I'm going to add this moringa leaf also. Just a little will do, because too much is not okay. Too much of anything is bad. So I'll just add a little to make it more delicious, I guess. Yes, haven't done with the cooking of the potato porridge. This is what it looks like. Potato porridge is a very good source of meal and nutrients for the elderly. So as you are advancing in age, it's a food that you should try. It's easy to digest, and it's very nice on your body and then of course to do good, you come back and thank me. Okay, so try it. Follow the little cooking lesson and all those things, the vegetables I mentioned. So when you try it, just boil the potato, and then you add, after it has boiled, under 10 minutes, just add all the pepper and every other thing with those leaves. Then it's okay. It's ready to eat. The sauce helps you to be able to take care of anything in the stomach and all that. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Until I come your way again with another wonderful motivational video of mine, do not forget to like, comment, share with your friends and family. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, Tiana's World by ChristyNuga, please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel right away. Thank you very much. Mwah.